Okay, so this is how you can use the planning group to lift assignments for your own, for your own classes. For example, if I were just browsing through whatever people uploaded and I wanted an assignment about three-dimensional solids, I wanted to assign this review and preview to my students. I'm in the Geometry Teachers, here's where I am right now. I'm in the Geometry Teachers planning group and I'm under classwork and I found this assignment that I want to assign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my actual geometry class. I'm going to go to classwork, I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to say reuse post. From there, whoops, hit back because I messed up. Hit Geometry Teachers Planning Group, and the review and preview post that I wanted to reuse is right here. I'm going to reuse it. I probably should have clicked create new copies of all attachments, but that's not a big deal. Okay. I'm going to modify if I want to go in here and say, I don't care what they created on. Maybe I want to take that part out. Whatever I wanted to change. I could even change what problems I wanted them to do. I want it to go to hour 2, all students, only my hour 2. I want it to be 100 points. I want it to be due on Wednesday at the end of the day. And let's see. I'm going to schedule it. I'm going to schedule it to show up on Monday morning at 8 a.m. Okay? So now what I've done is I've basically taken, this is now my hour 2, my actual class. I've basically lifted this assignment that was in the teacher planning group. I've lifted it and assigned it to my kids to do. Go ahead and reach out if you have any questions. I hope this video was helpful.